Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw Lamborghini Urus. Begin by sketching a side profile using ellipses for wheels and rectangles for the cabin and hood, keeping strokes light. Next, block in wheelbase and roof slope to set proportions, then add the windshield angle and window shapes. Work from large shapes to smaller features like headlights, vents, and mirrors, keeping lines confident and correcting proportions as you go. Now refine the main shapes by sharpening panel lines and sculpting the fenders to suggest muscle. Pay attention to the wheel arches and make sure tire size matches the stance you set earlier. Smooth the roofline and define window cutouts with confident strokes, then add subtle creases along the doors and hood. Keep erasing construction marks and compare both sides of your sketch for symmetry as you proceed with care. Add the signature front fascia details like headlights, grille, and angular intakes, using reference to capture their proportions. Draw wheels with visible rims and spokes, then suggest tire tread and brake calipers for realism. Begin shading to indicate a clear light source, using darker tones in recesses and lighter highlights on curved panels. Blend carefully to suggest glossy paint and reflections, and step back frequently to assess overall contrast and balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.